right, here's the loaded Bloody Mary from Mullets. Let's give this thing a whirl. Pretty good balance. Light on the horseradish, but there's a little bit of spice to it. Gotta love all the fixings that come with it. Delicious. A little heavy on the pickle juice for me, but I give it a solid 8. House specialties, a breakfast taco. The sausage in this one. Very good.
Solid 8.5. That's a good breakfast taco. They're my favorite.
All right, so we're gonna give the sweet potato sweet tots with an icing frosting a swirl. Oh, really good. That was really good. That was like a 9 out of 10. Overall, it was a very good meal. A few kinks are getting worked out.
I think it's a fantastic addition to West Ames. Come check it out.